Grandma Gertrude. There's Granny married to Wilbur. And here's the blended family. There's Brett. Tracy Pooh, I love you. Me and Grandma. Whoop. Taco, Santa Cruz, California. There's Tracy Pooh. Talk about cute kid. There's Rachel. There's ooh, they don't like each other. Dustin and my dad. There's Joey, my cuz. Charmaine and Joey. Chase. Boom. The whole gang. There's Chase in his bed. It's crazy. There's my grandma Jewel, my mama. Love you guys. I miss you. There's my mommy's house in Pleasanton. And just keep the faith. Never say never. Because you know what? You gotta live while you can. Right? So this is the end, but that means it's the beginning. Paru! We love you! We love Jesus. Smoochies. Night night. Melody Faith.